Finding the best hand cake mixer can feel confusing, especially when every model promises perfect cakes. The best hand cake mixer is the one that mixes smoothly, feels comfortable in your hand, and handles everyday baking without stress. After years of mixing cakes, cookies, and holiday desserts in a typical US home kitchen, I've learned what really matters beyond the specs. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer feels like a serious upgrade the first time you use it. The smooth start tech really helps stop splatter, which I noticed right away when mixing cake batter. It starts slow and feels very controlled. The LED speed display is also handy. You always know exactly what speed you're on, even in low-light kitchens. In daily baking, this hand mixer feels strong but smooth. The 220W motor handles cookie dough and whipped cream with no strain. I like the extra long beaters because food doesn't get stuck, so mixing feels faster and cleaner. The storage case keeps everything neat, which is great for smaller kitchens. The downside is the weight. It's heavier than basic mixers. Still, for control, precision, and durability, this hand mixer is a solid premium choice for frequent bakers. Number 4. Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric. The Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric feels made for people who want power without paying a premium price. The first thing I noticed was the 400W copper motor, which mixes thick dough much faster than most basic hand mixers. It feels strong but still controlled. The Turbo Boost mode is great when batter gets stubborn and needs a quick push. In daily use, this hand mixer handles cake batter, cookies, and whipped cream with ease. The 5 speeds help prevent splatter, which beginners will appreciate. The grip feels comfortable even during longer mixing sessions. I also like that all 5 stainless steel attachments are dishwasher safe, saving cleanup time after baking. The only drawback is it runs louder at higher speeds. Still, the power, accessories, and solid build make it a strong choice. If you bake often and want fast results, this hand mixer delivers reliable performance at a fair price. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer feels like a practical helper for busy home baking. It starts strong and stays steady even with thick cookie dough. I really like the quick burst power when batter gets heavy and needs a fast boost. The snap-on storage case is another win. Everything stays together so nothing gets lost in the drawer. In real use, this hand mixer handles cakes, whipped cream, and mashed potatoes with ease. The 6 speeds give good control, from slow mixing to fast whipping. The bowl rest is handy when I need a quick pause. It keeps drips inside the bowl, not on the counter. Cleanup is easy since the beaters and whisk go straight into the dishwasher. The mixer feels slightly bulky for small hands. Still, for the price, it delivers strong power, steady mixing, and everyday reliability. Number 2. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer is the one I reach for when I want fast, stress-free baking. It feels light in the hand and easy to control from the first mix. I love the lockable swivel cord because it stays out of the bowl and never pulls my wrist. The turbo beater blades mix smoothly and pull batter from the sides with less effort. In daily use, this hand mixer handles cake batter, cookies, and whipped cream with no fuss. Speed 1 is gentle for add-ins. Speed 5 whips fast and clean. The grip feels soft and balanced even during longer mixes. Cleanup is simple since the beaters pop out with one press and go straight into the dishwasher. The only drawback is the modest power for heavy dough. Still, for everyday baking, this mixer feels reliable, calm, and easy to trust. Number 1. Breville Handy Mixer BHM 800 SI. The Breville Handy Mixer BHM 800 SI feels like a luxury tool the moment you turn it on. I noticed the smooth control right away, especially with Beater IQ tech, which adjusts speed based on the attachment. That makes mixing feel calm and controlled, not rushed. The quiet scraper beaters are another standout. They glide along the bowl and keep noise low, which I really appreciate during early morning baking. In real use, this mixer handles cake batter, cream, and even dough with ease. The grip feels natural, so my hand does not tire quickly.
The 9 speeds give great control for delicate mixes. The downside is the price. It is not cheap, and the body feels heavier than basic models. Still, if you want a premium hand mixer that feels refined and reliable, this one delivers consistent results every time. Final verdict. If you want the best blend of power, control, and comfort for everyday baking, I personally recommend the Breville Handy Mixer BHM 800SI as the best overall hand cake mixer. Its smart speed sensing and quiet scraper beaters make mixing batters and creams feel smooth and effortless. It's a joy to use in real kitchens and handles a wide range of tasks. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly option that still performs well, the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer is a great choice. It delivers reliable speeds, simple controls, and classic KitchenAid durability without a high price tag. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the hand cake mixer that fits your style and need best.